Crypto wallets are prime targets for hackers looking to steal digital currency, prompting custodians to mitigate risk for their customers. Yahoo Finance's Brad Smith is here to explain exactly what a custodian is and how the growing acceptance of cryptocurrency has heightened coin security protocols from hackers that might be dressed like me. Brad, give us the update on exactly how all of this works.
Yeah, exactly, Ryan. So to paraphrase the ancient adage, with great coin value comes great responsibility. 2021 was a transformative year for the value of cryptocurrency. When the total market capitalization of crypto, it had reached and crossed $2.5 trillion, and 9% of that was stored with crypto custodians, according to a study from the Block Research. And then another report by Block Data showed the size of digital assets under custody that grew sevenfold between January 2019 and January 2022, from $32 billion to $223 billion. So think of it this way. In the process of purchasing or investing in cryptocurrency, there's a key decision of how you would like to store and transact with your coins. To paint this picture, think of when you access your bank account on a payday. It's your money, but how do you access the funds and make your purchases through your currency? So one step further, when you choose to withdraw your money from the bank, the safekeeping of those funds becomes your responsibility. Okay, so we painted that picture. Crypto custodians are basically just a bank where you can store your coins, manage their liquidity, and protect them from theft. And crypto owners may either choose to be their own bank through self-custody with a private key, or alternatively to entrust a third party to hold custody of their cryptocurrency until it's ready to be used.
And Brad, specifically, when we're talking about a good crypto custodian, how do you determine that?
So two major themes here. Accessibility and then theft protection are two of the core requirements that any crypto curious person should consider. As ownership of cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ether or Ethereum or altcoins has expanded, custodial services have developed to offer crypto holders and hodlers alike, if you will, an alternative to what's known as cold storage, which is essentially crypto money under the mattress style on hard drives on the and disconnected from the internet, I should say. So custodial services can range depending upon how active you intend to be with your coins. Some are focused primarily on offline storage. Others, they provide other digital wallet services for faster transactions in crypto. But some of the largest crypto custodians to date, they're ones like Coinbase, you've heard that name, BitGo, and then Gemini, you know the Winklevi, so think Gemini there. And then additionally here, the growth of those continues to also skyrocket higher with even more of that ownership, as we've seen that explode over these past 2-3 years for sure.
And then, Brad, lastly here, we know that we've heard stories of these crypto custodians getting hacked. Is there any kind of remedy that can happen there? Is it insured? It's not like FDIC deposits, is it?
That's a great question, and it's especially important consideration if you're leaning towards a hot wallet or a custodial service that holds the crypto for you so that you can transact more quickly on a blockchain-based marketplace, perhaps. So the precedent here, you bring up FDIC. If you held funds in a bank, then you're covered by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation. But because cryptocurrency is not federally regulated as of right now, the custodian services take other insurance policy measures in order to protect their customers. So you want to make sure that the crypto custodian is well insured, specifically for losses that result from a cybersecurity breach. This is more common from the larger exchanges. I mentioned some of them, BitGo particularly. They disclosed that they have a $700 million insurance policy. Gemini has a $200 million policy for themselves. And then one step further, also confirmed that the custodian services ensure the full value of the holdings so that in the event of a hack that results in theft, you are reimbursed in full. So all of those things to take into consideration when you're looking for a crypto custodian.